In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a kaleidoscope effect in Clipchamp step by step. If you want to create eye-catching, hypnotic visuals for your videos, reels, or YouTube shorts, this effect is a great way to instantly level up your edits. The best part is, you can do it directly inside Clipchamp with just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the settings that make the effect look really smooth and professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Clipchamp guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that already has video footage in it. Once you're inside the editor, head down to your timeline and click on the part of the video where you want to apply the kaleidoscope effect. It's very important that you select the specific clip on the timeline, otherwise the effects panel won't apply changes to the correct media. When you click on the clip, you'll see it highlighted, confirming that it's selected and ready to be edited. Next, move your attention to the right-hand side Properties panel. Here, you'll see different editing options, like filters, effects, and adjustments depending on your layout. Click on the option labeled Effects. This will open up the Effects library, where Clipchamp provides a variety of built-in visual effects that you can apply to your selected clip. Scroll through the list of available effects until you find Kaleidoscope. Once you see the kaleidoscope effect, click on it to apply it to your selected video clip. Immediately, you'll notice the preview window updating with the kaleidoscope transformation. The video will now appear mirrored and segmented into symmetrical patterns, creating that classic kaleidoscope look. After applying the effect, you'll see adjustable settings appear in the Properties panel. This is where you can customize the look of your kaleidoscope effect. You can adjust the speed to control how fast the mirrored segments move or rotate. Increasing the speed can create a more dynamic, energetic feel, while lowering it can give you a smoother, more hypnotic and cinematic vibe. You'll also see an option to adjust the number of segments. This controls how many mirrored slices appear in the effect. Fewer segments create a simpler geometric look, while more segments create a more intricate and detailed pattern. Play around with this setting to see what works best for your footage. There's no single perfect setting. It really depends on the style you're going for. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on the preview window. You can press the play button to preview the effect in real time and see how it looks in motion. This step is important because sometimes an effect may look good when paused, but feel too fast or too busy during playback. Make small adjustments until you're happy with the final result. At any point you don't like how it looks, you can simply turn off the effect or reset the settings and start again. Once you're satisfied with your kaleidoscope effect, that's it. The effect is now successfully applied to your clip. You can continue editing your video, add music, transitions, text, or combine this with other creative effects to make your content even more engaging. When you're completely done, just click on the Export button in the top right corner and choose your preferred video quality to save your finished project. And that's how you add a kaleidoscope effect in Clipchamp. As you can see, it's a quick and powerful way to transform ordinary footage into something visually striking. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.